Any questions you have, we will satisfy your curiosity by zooming in. I'm hostess Yoon Ji-kang. Today, as well as the last time, with Atomy evangelist, Crown Master Hee-suk Lee, Atomy's flower, together with Royal Master Young-hwa Park. We will have time to answer some questions.
Hello, I am Atomy's flower. Among the flowers, a grandma flower. Hello, I am Young-hwa Park.
Oh, already a grandson. Hello, an Atomy evangelist. I am Crown Master Hee-suk Lee. Nice to meet you. Together with two icons of passion, any questions? Zoom! First question. How should I make a specific business plan when I'm doing Atomy as a side job? We received this question. Those who are doing Atomy part-time these days, there are so many of them.
When I was in real estate, I used a product first.
You worked part-time.
I didn't use the product to do this business. My husband started the business. Because he brought the product home, I used it beforehand. I used it. The customers who came to my real estate office. My skin had improved and I'd gotten prettier. They told me that. They're really good products, so I told them, register as a member, buy cheap, and use them. So it shifted to consumer lineage.
It's a textbook case.
I did it the textbook way. So in the end, doing business as a side job, doing business as a main job, try the product first. Have that feeling. When I promoted it with certainty, if they use it and like it, I get to continue to introduce it. There are those who would want to start doing the business. If you continue, your lineage will increase. And when you come to work full-time, because the consumer base is already built into the infrastructure, you can succeed in your business very quickly.
I also started Atomy business as a side job. I also heard that my skin had improved. When someone said, deliver me that product, consumer base increased. I did it as a side job for about 3 years. Product repurchasing happens like this? Oh, what is this? And then I started to find out. I think I really worked hard even though it was a side job. As I ran around like that, the number of consumers increased to 30, then 50. Then I get a sales target, and I became a sales master. Though it's a side job, it's important to have a goal, to achieve that goal. The mindset. You have to run with the mindset of a business owner. Then at some point, the time will come when you have to decide. I switched to full-time at the time of that decision. So as I've run hard, I came out in front of you like this today, talking about the story of my past. I want you to be successful like me. I hope that mindset is also passed on to you. I hope you all do your best. Yes. Whether it's a side job or a full-time job, it's not that important. The part where I just set a goal and did it. Thank you. So the next question is, I wonder how the sponsor's role has changed after becoming an auto sales master and after being promoted.
The word I hate the most. I hate the idea that one became an auto sales master so much. Become what? You get promoted automatically. Then the first and second half continue. It's an auto sales master that maintains the sales master role. People who need the product every day because of their usage. When you reach 250, you are an auto sales master. I'm very thankful to have become one very quickly. After 3 months, I became an auto sales master.
After 3 months?
In fact, I became an auto sales master after 3 months. I never skipped the first and second half. Why? Because with that many consumers, an infrastructure has been built. From then on, if there's no further generation of business people, one will never become an auto sales master. From then on, one has to manage the lineage. In my 10 years in the Atomy business, I've never watched a drama, I've never watched a trop music program or anything like that, even now. But there is a drama I've seen.
What drama is it?
Curious about the title?
Yes, what is it?
A lineage.
A drama called Lineage.
A drama called Lineage. I look at my lineage every night. There's no such thing that makes me happy. The lineage that grows every day. There are tears in it and joy in it. Since then, I've been managing my lineage. Then the partners below me, really managing the business people. If you do that, embracing them like constantly rolling a snowball, at first your palms get stabbed and it becomes painful. Your hands can get so sore that you can't raise your arms. Because it keeps rolling, business people appear left and right 2 become 4 and 4 become 8. So I've maintained what's important. It doesn't matter if you reach sales master. Managing well matters. One needs to manage one's lineage well, and the business is under his or her management well. From then on, the size of the ball gets bigger, and the speed increases. One has to embrace and hug it, what they are really curious about and itching to do. Running together in the field, more than before becoming a sales master, you have to run in the field.
So an auto sales master is not automatic.
You have to work even harder after that.
You have to be an overflowing auto sales master.
An overflowing auto sales master?
Yes, satisfying only 2.5 million PV, becoming 3 million PV, 5 million PV, 7.5 million PV, because you have to be such an auto sales master.
You mean 7.5 million diamonds?
Yes, so part-timer, consumer, collaborator, there must be a lot of people like them. So I could become an auto sales master. In reality, these people are like diamonds. With some of these people, actually one could just become an auto sales master naturally. Why do you need to help them then? Pick these people to make them become an auto sales master. So one becomes busy. You have to run more.
In the past, I only had to do mine. Now I have to take care of others and do it with them.
That's why the word organization is there. Once it's in the lineage, it becomes an affiliated group below me.
An overflowing auto sales master.
We're together.
Yes. Here is the questioner herself. We will have time for questions and answers. Hello, questioner.
Hello. I am Sharon Rosemaster Mengsoon Ha. I'm not good at explaining the business to my partners. That's why I always feel sorry for them. So, how am I able to explain my business to my partner executives? No one's good from the start. You have to keep doing it constantly. In the end, you go directly into the field and meet many business people and consumers. Meet them, describe the product, and share the vision of the company. My words motivate me. They strengthen me. Another, huh? I said this? You can gain confidence. Constantly explain your business. When you continue to explain the business a lot, you can do well. I couldn't do it at first either, but by pushing on, I've arrived here. Please continue. What do you think? Do you agree?
Yes, that's right. You are working very hard in the field, Director. I'm not good at explaining the business. You need to make your own stories. Then they become your own lecture materials. Take those materials, a passionate voice, have a confident voice. If you give a lecture that's really focused, all partners will feel. And there are many star instructors at Atomy. You need to make use of them. At Atomy, all successful people are your sponsors. There's really no need to be sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
It's okay. If only you have passion and sincerity, Atomy can succeed.
Thank you.
I wonder if that was helpful enough.
I think it's a problem I need to solve. So until I can stand more firmly, I'm going to ask for a lot of help from our sponsors.
Yes, we support you.
It's been nice meeting you.
Next question. The question was, I'm curious about how you made your first invitation.
I'm here by invitation. My respected husband.
Your husband.
My venerable husband. First, he started training a year ago. At that time, he only contacted a single person. It was me. By only contacting me, we came to the Royal Club here today together. We always move together. So through my husband, I found out about Atomy. My husband said that, too. This is exactly what you should do. When he tried to convince me, I said, I won't. I can't. I said, besides, I can't do a pyramid scheme. I haven't done it. I said, I won't do it. By attending and listening to it, I realized this is for me.
But when you were invited, you kept refusing, and at some point you just changed your mind. Is there a
It had
story?
been let's go just once. One time.
I heard that you changed your mind because of a tangerine box.
While I was in the real estate business, I wanted to volunteer. I remember what my husband said. While you volunteer, buy a few boxes of tangerines and go share them with the elderly. How am I supposed to do that? He said if I wanted to make money at Atomy, I should share the tangerines. I thought it might work. With such a thought, I went to a seminar.
Since it connects through needs.
Yes, that's right. You have to find what interests interests you and talk about
So
that.
that's how invitation works.
Yeah, so I went to a seminar. I went to the seminar and just listened to the president talk. This is not someone else's business, but mine. The most important thing is the invitation.
Invitation.
Making a business person is about the invitation. Product can be delivered to consumers to try out. How do I invite them? It's about finding their points of interest, like I did. I also have a really great partner who had a smart grandchild. I got in touch with him. That grandson is a genius.
Oh, he was smart.
Then, in our country, it's not enough to educate geniuses. There aren't many places like that. You have to send them to study abroad. Money with which you can afford to send them to study abroad. At Atomy, come and see if it's possible. Every time I see him, I talk about that grandchild. I said this, he started the business. Those who were put on the list at the beginning, everyone was touched by their interests one by one. Constantly in the front seat of the seminar hall, I started sitting them down in those seats. So there are more than just me. Greater entrepreneurs that they've brought me up to here.
You even made a list as well. With Hisuk Lee Crown Master and Yonghwa Park Royal Master, we have time to answer the questions. Do you have any last words to say?
If you look at our affiliates in the field these days, they conduct Zoom meetings all week. It's all they've been doing. And having a Zoom meeting itself, they think it's doing business. I feel so sorry. Of course, we need Zoom meetings as well, but it needs to be a full Zoom meeting, like a global Zoom meeting. You only need to do it once or twice a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Thinking continuous Zoom meetings is business. We can meet each other.
That's right, it's okay to gather 3 or 4.
Yes, and run to the field. We need to meet others. Relying only on Zoom, it's sad to see such partners. I will tell you once again that there is an answer in the field. You have to meet. How many people per day? Meet at least 5 people. From there, consumers and business people are born. I think Atomy business can be successful.
Yes, I think so too. Point out the exact core of the business. To get the core, in fact, in the system, I'm studying. So what do you do after studying? Going out with Atomy products and having meetings with our products. With products to recruit business people. Take the product and form a group. And expand the organizations. The job is to spread Atomy products all over the world. It's a pity to do so only with Zoom. Let's pinpoint the core of the business and knowing that there is really an answer in the field. Setting goals and running. I want you all to do so. So like Imperial, Crown, to the real success. I hope you come to such a position. We will be there waiting. So stay strong and keep fighting.
Curiosity Knowledge Zoom! How was it, everyone? Have your questions been resolved? In the next video, your curiosity. We will try to satisfy them from the inside out. Please look forward to it and see you in the next part. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.